Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Are you tired of tennis rackets that feel heavy, hard to control, or just don't give you that power boost on the court? Many recreational players struggle with finding a racket that balances power, control, and comfort. If that sounds familiar, stay tuned. Meet the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, a lightweight graphite and carbon fiber tennis racket designed for recreational players seeking an easier swing and extra power. Weight: super light at just 0.24 kilograms, making it easier to handle for longer rallies. Materials: graphite frame with carbon fiber shaft ensures durability while keeping it flexible. Grip sizes: comes in multiple grip options, 1 to 4/3/8 inches, to suit your hand comfortably. Design: the Hyper Hammer technology shifts the balance toward the head, giving extra power with less effort. Skill level: perfect for recreational and beginner players looking for effortless swings and better ball control. Pros: extremely lightweight, reduces arm fatigue. Provides extra power thanks to head-heavy balance. Durable graphite plus carbon fiber construction. Cons: not ideal for advanced players seeking precision control. Some may find the head-heavy feel takes adjustment. Perfect for recreational and beginner players who want a powerful, easy-to-swing racket for casual games or weekend matches. If you struggle with generating power or endurance, this racket makes a noticeable difference. At $169, it's a mid-range racket that combines lightweight comfort, durability, and power, offering excellent value for recreational players. Number 4. Introducing the Babolat Pure Drive Wimbledon 11th Gen, a premium graphite tennis racket blending power, spin, and precision in a stylish navy and gold design. Weight: 0.51 kilograms for a balanced feel, light enough for fast swings but stable on impact. Material: full graphite construction for durability, power, and responsiveness. Grip size: 4 1/4 inches grip, comfortable for most adult players. All skill level friendly, suitable for beginners to advanced players. Design: headlight balance for enhanced control while still generating excellent power. Spin and power: signature Pure Drive tech allows aggressive strokes with extra spin potential. Pros: excellent power and spin generation. Durable graphite frame with responsive feel. Suitable for all skill levels. Premium look with Wimbledon-themed design. Cons: slightly heavier than ultralight recreational rackets may fatigue beginners in long sessions. Higher price point compared to entry-level rackets. Perfect for intermediate to advanced players who want a powerful, spin-friendly racket with precision control, and for dedicated beginners willing to invest in a high-quality upgrade. At $238, it's a premium investment, offering top-tier performance, durability, and style, ideal for players serious about improving their game. Number 3. Introducing the Wilson Ultra 108 version 4.0, a performance tennis racket strung with Sensation 16 natural strings, designed to combine power, comfort, and control for modern players. Weight: ultralight at 0.6 pounds, perfect for fast swings and reducing arm fatigue. Material: carbon fiber plus 45-degree frame for durability, responsiveness, and stability. Grip size: 4 3/8 inches, suitable for most adult players. Skill level: ideal for beginners and intermediate players looking to improve technique. Strung and ready, comes pre-strung with Sensation 16 natural strings at mid-range tension for balanced power and feel. Frame design: oversized 108 square in. Head offers a larger sweet spot for more consistent hits. Pros: lightweight, easier to swing and control. Oversized head, forgiving sweet spot for improved accuracy. Pre-strung with quality strings ready to play out of the box. Durable carbon fiber construction. Cons: not ideal for advanced players seeking maximum precision. Oversized head may reduce feel for some experienced hitters. Perfect for beginner and intermediate adult players who want a lightweight, easy-to-swing racket that offers power, comfort, and a forgiving sweet spot for consistent play. At $149, it's a mid-range performance racket offering great value, ready to play, durable, and balanced for beginners and intermediate players looking to level up their game. Number 2. Meet the Babolat Boost Drive Strung, a lightweight and beginner-friendly graphite tennis racket designed for youth and kids starting their tennis journey. Weight, extremely light at 0.34 kilograms, perfect for small hands and easy swings. Material, durable graphite frame and shaft for stability and long-lasting performance. Grip size, 4 1/8 inches grip, 4.125 inches, ideal for young players. Skill level, tailored for beginners to learn proper technique comfortably. Pre-strung, comes strung and ready to play with balanced tension for controlled shots. Design, vibrant blue color with modern graphics appealing to kids and youth. Pros. Super lightweight, easy for kids and beginners to swing. Graphite construction, durable yet flexible. Pre-strung, ready to play out of the box. Comfortable grip for youth players. Cons. Not suitable for intermediate or advanced players. Limited power compared to adult-sized rackets. Ideal for kids, youth, and beginners who are just learning tennis and need a lightweight, easy-to-handle racket to build their skills. At $109, it's an affordable entry-level racket that offers great value, lightweight, durable, and perfect for youth players starting out. Number 1. Introducing the Wilson US Open BLX 100, a versatile adult tennis racket built with graphite for recreational and all skill level players. Weight, lightweight at 300 grams, easy to swing and maneuver. Material, graphite frame and shaft for durability and consistent performance. Grip size, 4 3/8 inches, adjustable options 3 to 4 3/8, for a comfortable hold. Skill level, suitable for all players, from beginners to casual adult players. Design, BLX technology reduces vibration, smoother feel and less arm fatigue. Versatility, balanced design offers a combination of control and power for recreational play. Pros. Lightweight and easy to handle. Graphite construction, durable and reliable. Vibration reduction for a smoother swing. Affordable price for an adult racket. Cons. Not ideal for advanced players seeking maximum spin or precision. Head size may feel small for beginners used to oversized rackets. Perfect for adult recreational players of all skill levels who want a lightweight, easy-to-use racket for casual games or weekend matches. At just $102.42, it's an affordable and high-value option for anyone looking for a durable graphite racket without breaking the bank. Check the link in the description to grab your Wilson US Open BLX 100, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tennis gear reviews.